Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn how you can easily add Facebook pixel for your Shopify store. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on online store in your dashboard. Then just go here for preferences and you will find it here, Facebook pixel. Facebook pixel helps you create ad campaigns to find the new customers that look most like your buyers. Okay, now deal. How do I set this up? And you will have it here, adding a Facebook pixel to your online store. Just scroll down for just getting the link, create in Facebook pixel. You can create a Facebook pixel in Facebook Ads Manager. I already have it, so I have it here, pixel ID. And now what I'm going to do, like if you don't have it, you can just easily create it. You will get the point there and you can got it. Now I would just paste it here and I would just save it. And voila, here you have got a Facebook pixel ID. If you don't have it, you will just create it in Facebook Events Manager, and quite simple, quite easy. And yeah, that's kind of it. And this is how we got it. Like, this is a really quick video, really good way how you can do it. If you have any questions, just ask down below in the comments. I'll try to help you and provide you some guidance and provide you support. Again, have a great day. Stay safe and earn a lot of money. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.